15 to 17, beginner intermediate Vahine category.
All right, judges, are we ready?
Drummers, Aori. Beautiful job, ladies. You may rest and show your numbers to the judges. Pose for some extra photos.
Don't forget to hashtag these photos, ladies and gentlemen. We would love to see them later on.
Te Hono Ori. Just as a reminder, these contestants are being scored on their entrance and exit, their technique, precision and creativity, their stage presence, as well as their costumes. So our judges are working diligently to score each category and each contestant. Thank you, ladies. Maururu, you may exit to the left of the stage. Give them a round of applause as they leave the stage, and welcome our next two contestants in the 15 to 17 beginner intermediate Vahine category.
This is just as a reminder as well for those who are just arriving, the Masters of the Flame competition is happening right after this, after our seniors, so please stay for that. All right, judges, are we ready?
Drummers ready. Aori. Relax and show your numbers to the judges. And while we're waiting for the judges to finalize, let's give another round of applause for the tabulations table. They are just doing a great job, moving us right along.
Working out those finger muscles.
Yes. Also just want to give a shout out to all the parents in the house, moms and dads. Awesome. Would not be possible without all of you here and all of your support. Driving to practice, drop-offs, pickups, costume, workshops, all that goes into allowing these beautiful women and young men to be here and sharing their passion for Ori Tahiti with us today. So thank you all.
One more big hand for these two lovely young ladies right here.
Maururu. And welcome our next two contestants to the stage. Our final contestants from 15 to 17, beginner intermediate, Vahine category.
Judges, are we ready?
Drummers, Aori. Wonderful job, ladies. You may rest and show your numbers to the judges. All right, show some love. And as the judges are finalizing, another announcement, there will be no dance-offs for the advanced 9 to 11 Tamaroa or Tamahine categories.
Also, just by way of announcements as well, folks, if there is a Rayla Rain Ruleos, you have lost your purse. And your purse with lots and lots of money in it is at the bar. So before somebody starts spending your money on drinks, make sure you go pick up your purse and your driver's license, which is in my hand right now. So once again, if there is a Relea Ryan Ruleos, I apologize if I did not do very good with that name.
Thank you, ladies. Give them a round of applause as they exit the stage. Job well done. Welcoming our next contestants. This is now the advanced Vahine, ages 15 to 17.
Judges, are we ready?
Drummers, ready? Vahine Imoa. Beautiful job, ladies. You may rest and show your numbers to the judges.
love this love.
The judges are finalizing their scores. What a tough job to be a judge at this competition. The best of the best. Hard. All right, Maururu ladies, thank you for gracing us with your presence today. And let's welcome our next 3 contestants to the advanced Vahine 15 to 17 age category. Hey ladies, if you all can please stand for a moment and show your numbers again. Thank you.
Come on, let's hear it for these ladies. Let's hear it for them.
All right, we are ready to go. Judges are ready. Drummers, are you ready? Great job. You may relax and show your numbers to the judges.
That's the first one I heard that, huh? Yeah, let's go. I know you heard me.
Say something to make them laugh too. Ease the nerves. Also, as the judges are finalizing, just an announcement for all the finalists. Once your category has been announced that you do not have a dance-off, if you could please clear all your belongings from the dressing rooms to make way for the senior division that is going to be coming in. During lunch, we're going to have all the junior category soloists clear out for the seniors to enter, and as well as groups that have larger than 10 dancers. So, just a friendly announcement. Keep it fire code safe back there.
Ah, yes. In other words, hurry up and get out of the room.
Thank you, ladies. Maururu.
Thank you, ladies. One more time, big round of applause for those 3 ladies.
And welcome our next 2 contestants.
Ooh, we're ready to go. Judges, are we ready?
Drummers, we ready? Aoi. Amazing. Ladies, you may rest your numbers to the judges.
These two actually almost look perfectly matched. Yeah. Great job.
So much talent on stage today. While the judges are finalizing, we do have a dance-off to announce. So listen up. Age category 12 to 14, beginner, intermediate. Contestants number 88 and number 91. So that's number 88, Jovenel Sieg Miller, and number 91, Kayla Mayuyu. Please report backstage for your dance-off.
88 and 91. Give it up for those two.
Yes.
Face off.
And our judges ready? Yes. Thank you, ladies. Maururu. Wonderful job. Give them a hand of applause. And as we welcome our next two contestants, closing out the junior categories, Advanced Tane, ages 15 to 17, are only two contestants.
Judges, are we ready?
Drummers, Aori.
Nice finish.
Beautiful job. Gentlemen, you may relax and show your numbers to the judges. Immediately following these two contestants will be our dance-off. So we'll have two more soloists joining us on stage just after these two fine young gentlemen. Great job, gentlemen. Are we ready? Maururu, you may exit the stage. Give them a round of applause. Our final contestants.
All right, now ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is our face-off, dance-off, a battle. Please keep it clean. No gouging of the ice. No hair pulling. Let's have some fun. Judges, are you ready? Dancers are drummers.